I'm feeling lonely. I wish I could have loved that could hug me. Now I'm crying in my room, so scared to go love. But still I want